This video is designed to help you learn how to use the California Occupational Guides, which is a California website that's hosted similar to ONET and Eureka, but is more specific to California, particularly even with particular counties in mind. So it's a great website to use. There's two different ways we can go about using this. We'll start with the keyword search. And so this works particularly well if you already know the career that you're trying to do research on. So for example, if I wanted to do a research on a police officer, I would then click find. Oh, misspelled it. Click find, and then a list of different options would come up from the search results. So I might put in, say, police and sheriff patrol officers. From there, I can either review by the whole state, or I might want to review by the county, if I want to see specific information for Contra Costa. And then I would click, and by the way, you could look at a map if you wanted to select a county that way. And then I'd want to click View the Guide. And what would happen next is you would basically get something very similar to onetonline.org or Eureka, where it basically breaks down in a variety of different ways the information specific to police and sheriff patrol officers in the county. So what would those people do? What are the tasks and related skills, the working conditions? I like this piece here. Will this job fit me, for example, is a good piece to take a look at. The wages and benefits that particular career comes with. The job outlook, so that's always something that's really important to take a look at in terms of projections. The really nice piece about this is it has projections for the state, but then it also has projections for the East Bay. So it's not just statewide, but you also can see if you want to stay in this area, what the projections look like. And then the annual job openings. And then a fairly robust section on how you qualify to do this kind of work. So again, something that's really important for people who are considering going into this work. And then some other options as well, as you could see. So it's a really great a really great tool to do research on specific careers if you know exactly what you're doing the research on. However, you might not know. You might be looking for a career and basically doing more of a brainstorming session, and so you might want to look under topic search. So this is a great place to look if you're not certain what careers interest you. So again, you can be specific to it's always going to be specific to at least the state of California, but you could always be more specific to the county if you'd wish. And then you can either get an alphabetical list of all the occupations, you can do top paying jobs, jobs with most openings, and then view the list from there. Let's go ahead and take a look at what jobs match your interests, because we've done some research on your strong assessment with interests. So for example, if your code is in RAI, for example, so your first code would be R, you can go ahead and select realistic. And then you get a list of the occupations that have to do with people who are considered realistic. And then again, you can go into explosives worker ordnance handling expert. So you can go ahead and click on that. And basically what you would do is get a profile of what that looks like. So it's just another way of sort of using this website to do research on this career, and then it links you to different things. And this is actually nice. It links you directly to ONET. So if you want to do some more research on this career, you can do that. But anyway, it's a great website to use. I tend to use it more from the keyword search feature if you know what 3 careers you're researching, but also like I just demonstrated, you can also use the topical search as well. And either way, it's just another resource that you can use in doing research on careers.